I can't believe it, Esther. They came back. Man, it's really coming down. It's just funny how snow looks on this camera. I mean, it looks like it's an old-timey TV set or something. Hey, anybody feel bad for these guys? I mean, look, they gotta live out in this crap. Ain't that great? Stupid crows anyway. Hey everybody, welcome back to Bear and the Boss Lady, where my goal in life is to get as dirty as I can so that I can give the boss lady something to do. That said, look what we got here. I've never done a relief carving quite like this. This will be my second of this kind of relief carving where it's cut out. There'll be something inside of the circle. I did a trout or salmon-y thing here, I don't know, about 4 weeks ago, and it was weird too because I took it in where I sell this stuff and the thing was gone in a day. So, you know, I don't know. And in the video that I had out where I made that fish actually did really well too. So I'm going to try another one of these, but this is way more complicated, something I've never done before, and I figured, what the heck, draw out this wolf here, wolf dog, husky looking. A little too fat for a coyote, but that's it. Looks pretty cool. We're gonna cut him out, cut all this around here, and I think chainsaw work's only gonna really be about a third of it, and then the rest of it's probably gonna be a grinder and a couple different burrs. So we'll see how it goes. You keep watching, and don't make too much fun of me, and pray for the boss lady because I work really hard to keep her busy. Yeah, a little better close-up of it. Drew out a wolf, and a little bit of pine treeage. Moon, that's a goofy looking moon, but that's it. We're gonna see how it goes. Must have a little bit of refreshment. All right, basic shape. Now here's where I could really make a mess out of this. But let's see what happens. All right, that's about as far as I can go with the saw. This is really, really wet, so it's gonna take me a while. I gotta burn all this off, this frizzy stuff, and then hit it with the sander and start cleaning it up, put more detail into my dog. But let's see what happens. All right, next I'm gonna start doing some sanding, and we'll see how it goes. Clean the dog up just a little bit. I want him to keep the hair thin things out, make this stuff all nice and curves, and then go from there. And then we'll get out some other tools and start adding the eye in there, and maybe a little more depth here. We're gonna put his whiskers and put his mouth in and get it done. But anyway, we'll see how this goes. Man, I'm really enjoying this one. I mean, it's going pretty good, especially the first time trying that, first time trying a wolf-like thing too. You know, I mean, I made little dog-like statuettes, but never nothing like this. But let's see how it happens. All right, there you have it. The second time I made a relief carving, made this wolf looking thing in here. He's all right. I mean, you know, I ain't that good, you know, and I'm figuring it out. But anyhow, it ain't too bad. And I guarantee it won't take long to sell. I mean, this is kind of cool little piece there. You know, that's put me in the mind of a block O, but that's another matter. Anyhow, I hope you like this. Hope you like watching me, realizing that this is my first time doing this. Amongst other things, it's my first time doing it. Heck, I can't even get the camera straight. How about that? Well, at least you can see more of me, my beautiful face. But that said, I hope you like the carving. Hope you like the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, more than anything like in this case, because it gets it out there and gets to see. Remember, I'm new at this, and I'm having a good time making this stuff, and you can too. Watch other people that are really good at this, and then try to do what they do, because that's what I'm doing. Anyway, until next time, don't forget. Come back when you can stay later, you smuck.